some beginner. I'm gonna uncork me a pint of trouble, and I'll sit down and drink a double. I'm thirsty for something lighter that could get me even tighter and tighter till someday I swear I hear angels play. Goodness, is it really real? It would take a child to know the way I feel. Oh my, floating in the blue. I could take the credit, but it's thanks to you.
Was skipping and everything, so old that tape.
Welcome aboard to Keeping Country Strong in our new setup
partly,
here.
It's not done yet, no.
Oh, it looks all right.
This is going to go all the way down. We're going to have a great big set here.
All right. Well, welcome aboard. How we doing, buddy?
Pam isn't here tonight.
Our musical director couldn't make it tonight.
Her and her girlfriends went on a bike ride, like 20 miles away from home. One of them had a blowout. So I don't know what they did. And where they are, they really couldn't get a signal, so they got to walk the bike back.
Wow. Oh, you know what? I wonder if she's on Beacon Mountain again.
Maybe.
Remember her? Yeah, she likes going up there.
Oh, maybe. I don't know. That's a climb.
If something happened up there, they're going to be up there. Hopefully, they're back by now.
So what else? What's new here? Come on.
We got a couple of. How was the Fall Fest here in Port Jervis?
It was packed. Now they said there was like 9,000 to 10,000 people.
I believe it. And you guys were playing, right? Carl Richards.
Well, there was a lot of people playing down there. The Glory Band, Glory Bound Band, Bluegrass.
All right.
Pam Murphy, Side Effects, and then Jeremy Langdale was doing the acoustic down the other end of the town.
Cool.
Ron Phillip was there, and Nick, who came on the show and sang.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he was there.
Okay, cool.
So they had a whole bunch of entertainment down there.
Yeah, I've heard a lot of good things. That the entertainment was good, and they got a good crowd. And
well, I got my first booking today for next year.
Oh yeah, whereabouts?
Blueberry Fest.
All right, that's in August, right?
Yeah.
In Ellenville. Hey, and our good friends, we want to plug the East Coast Professional Wrestling.
Oh yeah, them guys.
Friday, November 6th, they're going to be in Ellenville, New York, at the Pioneer Fire Department, Norbury Hall.
Well, they don't like to say Norbury Hall, but everybody knows it is Norbury Hall.
Well, that's where, and then exactly 1 month later, we have the 6th annual Toys for Kids fundraiser.
And we raised enough toys for 850 homes. That's great.
From noon to 4, entertainment all day long. I'm the MC. You guys headline. Side FX, Pam Murphy, Carmine, Pace, Mr. Phil.
Everybody, just a fun time.
And all it costs to get in is a toy. Unwrapped toy.
New unwrapped toy.
And that's the admission, and they feed you. And it's a good time. 4 hours is from noon to 4.
Well, now it's grown into...
it's a 3-day event.
She told me, now it's 4 days
4 days.
now. So
they start on Thursday now?
They start Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday.
Oh, Monday too?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Well, yeah, I remember the first couple of years, we were the only drop-off point.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Now they got them all over the place.
Now it's just we're just a portion of some
Plus
of the
they got
toys that they collect.
The food bank thing went really well for Port Jervis this year.
And that was
rocking the city.
That was also in September, right? So you got a lot of good things going with Port Jervis, and that's definitely needed. The food bank at all times of the year, not just around the holidays.
They doubled the food intake this year.
That's great. Well, that's needed.
It did seem like a big crowd. We had
Hudson
6
Valley.
bands, but the crowd wasn't huge. But people were like coming in down the end, dropping.
Well, that's it. As long as it doesn't matter. As long as people are bringing food items, that's the key, and that's where it builds.
And it goes out to all the churches and stuff, wherever there's a food bank or.
Well, you might have some folks that are fans of Side FX, and they'll stay for them, drop off food. Then they'll have fans that are your fans. They'll come drop off food.
Ponytails.
So people are milling in and out all day through. Oh, and the Ponytails were there too.
Yeah, and Renata's band.
That's great. So I'm glad that it all worked out, and we want everybody to come out for East Coast Pro Wrestling. They're going to be on probably
They're coming on the show,
in
a couple weeks, yes.
And then Toys for Kids in December. And I got something for the folks up in Bullville, gotcha, and the Pine Bush area, Saturday, November 14th.
You're losing it, old boy.
Saturday, November 14th is a tricky tray, a high-end tricky tray. You know how they have penny socials where items are like the baskets are $1. These are high-end tricky tray items. Most of the prizes, the baskets are $100 or more.
Wow.
And it's really going to be it's going to benefit Cub Scout Pack 41 in Pine Bush. I'm the Cub Master, you know that?
Yeah.
So it's going to be our big fundraiser for the year. So we want everybody to come out. The hall, it's at the Pine Bush Fire Department in their hall from 5 p.m. The doors open, calling at 7 till 9 p.m. We should be done by 9. But the occupancy is like 216, Carl. And they're worried that we're going to fill up the occupancy. So if you want to go, get a hold of me and get there early that night for sure.
Quiet on the set, you two guys.
And then the following day, Sunday, November 15th, you're going. I don't think you have a gig.
Not yet.
Is our trip to the Sands Casino and Outlet Mall.
Yeah, that's always a blast.
Always a good time. Can't tell you what it costs, but whatever it cost you, the Sands is giving you back that amount.
And, you know,
that's the easiest way to say it. You can't say prices on here, but
these guys did a benefit for one of them places you went to the hot dog.
That's right. Hot Dog Nation,
we'll
folks,
talk
watch
about
us.
it when they come
on. But everybody in Hot Dog Nation, stay tuned, and you're gonna love the rest of the show when these guys are playing, and we're gonna interview them later.
Listen, Halloween's gonna be coming.
Okay. Oh, very nice. All right. Well, the Sands Casino and Outlet Mall.
My little toy.
We're leaving from Circleville, Middletown, and Monroe. So wherever you want to get on the bus. Carmine Pace, the crooner, is the onboard entertainment. I think we're the only group that does this. We actually have a singer on board en route to the casino. I think we're the only ones that do it.
It's amazing that somebody started this for you.
It's amazing, yeah. Thanks to Carmine the crooner. Carmine Pace doing his Frank Sinatra. That was great. And every show he has a different
No, I ain't talking about
concept.
that. I'm talking about when it first started.
Oh yeah, I know. You might have mentioned that.
Of course I mentioned
Well, I
it.
think we had Mark the Polka Man has been on board too.
The first one I had them barking like dogs.
Mark,
remember?
yeah, that's right. You played on it too.
Yeah.
Mark the Polka Man is the accordion guy, right?
Oh yeah, he's crazy.
He has an accordion. So he shows up. He's doing the trip on one of our Sands Casino trips. He's the entertainment, and he gets on board with this. It's like a flute or something. Remember that thing?
Right. How's he gonna sing and
And
blow
we're
that
like-
at the same time? That's crazy.
That was right. So I go, Mark, how are you going to figure this out? How are you going to do this? You're supposed to be singing and playing the accordion. Oh, I don't have the accordion. I have this. Well, I blow into this and it makes the noise. He couldn't figure out, how do you sing? So we had to scrap the whole
Why didn't you take it and
entertainment.
blow
I
it
could
for
have.
him?
I could have done that.
That was,
I can't play.
that was a
whatever
downer,
that
yeah.
was. That was an interesting trip, folks.
He did good on
But-
the hot dog tour, though.
But we always have a couple of big winners on the Sands Casino trip. So, and there's an outlet mall there. You get a coupon book, free coupon book, 50% off prices. So,
My wife likes it. I just go for the trip.
yeah, no, it's a good time. It's a good day out if you want to go. That's November 15th. Get a hold of me. Facebook.com/Benzie Promotions. Go
Everything's
to that
on
page.
Facebook.
Everything's on there. And friend Carl Richards, and myself, Erwin Benzie Benz, friend us. We got, between us and Pam, we got over 10,000 friends. So
Maybe more.
probably more, right? And with the page, yeah, sure. We
Well,
definitely
listen,
have more.
we got a hot band.
We
here's
do.
Here's their one of their CDs.
These guys are good. The band playing tonight is Mike Frank and Friends, and these guys want to get, if they're ready, we're gonna get ready.
Yeah, they're
we're gonna
ready.
get
I'm
them
gonna let
on.
you introduce them. 'cause
All right.
You're older.
They're a great band from New Jersey. They play a lot of benefits. They're going to play a few songs, and then we're going to interview them, and then they're going
And
to
Rick
take us out.
Boynton sent them.
Boyston.
Boyston. Could have been
Rick
Boynton.
Boyston.
Who knows? I knew Rick so long.
All right. These guys are ready.
All right, guys, take it away.
You guys ready? Mike, Frank, and Friends. Take it away, guys.
a song called Twisted Time. Twisted Time. land of the free. Had to sell my guitar so I could pay the rent, but I don't know where money really went. So I started running, see the shining sea. But when I got there, election still was me. Oh, and there's nothing for free. Just a song. Land of the free. 7 a.m. or 7 p.m. Are you gonna be on time today? Guy on a bike. Guy on a bike.
I got my strobe light going at 7.
Mike, Frank, and friends. Come on over, guys. Good stuff. That was a good sound there, Carl.
Woo!
That's a real good sound.
Yeah, that's rocking.
Don't get lost.
Come on over here, guys. We got plenty of seats.
We love SpongeBob. Come on.
SpongeBob.
Well, I figured 2 here and 2 in the back, whoever you
Thanks,
want
man.
to do. Just talk up if you're in the back, otherwise we won't hear a damn thing you said.
All right, we got everybody here. Well, why don't we introduce, and we'll start with you, Mike.
Yeah.
Introduce yourselves, and everybody can introduce themselves. If you want to introduce them, that's fine.
Yeah, my name is Mike Frank, and well, these guys here are my friends. You got Mike O'Brien here, longtime friend. Todd Blanca on bass, another longtime friend. Mike Pinella, another longtime friend, and Steve Farrell, the doctor.
Yet another.
Yet another.
Them keyboards are hot, man. Good.
Thanks.
It's really good. How did you guys get collaborated together here?
Well, today it was a funny story.
I don't mean today. That was 7 o'clock.
That is a good story, though.
Well, we were at a hotel because we thought we were supposed to be here at 7 a.m., but whatever.
Yeah.
That's all right. Yeah, we could always make it a morning show in the future if you guys ever want to come back.
I'll be here.
We can do it at 7 in the morning.
We'll be here in the morning. Yeah.
I don't know what Good Morning America would think about that.
No, we don't care.
Who cares about
We're
that?
glad you made it, though. You guys have really got a hot band. Sounds great.
Yeah, well, Steve and Mike played together in Ludlow Station. They were in a band for a very, very long time. And Micah and I, we played in our band for a long time, Simon Circles. And Todd, I've known Todd for a long, long time. Played bluegrass with him. He's known me since I was 16. was in a bluegrass band with him. He was at the old
Wow.
the Planet High Bridge down in High Bridge, New Jersey. It was a hot jam. There for a
Sorely
while.
missed that place.
Yeah.
So where basically you're all you guys from? You're
Hunterdon County, Warren County, New Jersey, around
We
that
call
area.
it North Jersey.
The Asbury
Right.
Alps.
The Asbury Alps, I like that.
The Asbury Alps.
well, Benzie wants to talk to you about the hot dogs. We're
Well,
eating them up here. Hot dogs.
I never thought I would meet somebody outside our Hot Dog Nation realm that mentioned Charlie's Pool Room to me.
Oh yeah.
It's crazy, and that was such an iconic place for hot dogs. My favorite place of all time, since gone out of business. But you guys played a benefit for Charlie's Pool
Yeah.
Room when they were looking to raise funds to get back open.
Yeah, it was
It was about 2 years ago, right?
Yeah, about 2 years ago, and my girlfriend at the time, we used to bring her there all the time, and it was like, that's the thing. I was like, they were going out of business because
Yeah.
they had all kinds of stuff going on, and we were like, let's do a benefit for them because we had Jammin' for Jersey, so
Yep.
Jammin' for Jersey was our thing, and we did that, and we were like, yeah, and that was the most successful. I mean, Hurricane Sandy like blew everything over, and then we did a benefit, and like a couple people showed up, but we did a benefit for hot dogs, and then it's like people came out of
Yeah, it's crazy, right?
yeah,
hot
they were from
dogs is-
everywhere. I was like,
Forget about it.
Well,
like Sandy, yeah.
we
let's go
run
get a hot dog.
12 years. We've been running a tour, and we have 2 motor coaches. And we fill 2 motor coaches just
to the
driving around New
brim.
Jersey eating hot dogs once a year. It's crazy how it's built up. And we had Joe on with us this year.
It
as
is
a
fun.
special
I went a
guest.
couple times.
And he's
I couldn't
taking
eat all
pictures
them
with
guys
everybody.
eat.
People are coming up to him
Uh-huh.
like a
They
celebrity.
eat
Yeah.
3 hot dogs every
Signing
time they
autographs,
stop.
taking
They're
pictures
going to
with
10
him.
places.
And it was good that
Every
we could
one
get
of
him.
them, and
Get
they're all
him
them big, thick hot
Another
dogs.
friend of ours got him, picked him up.
They
got
gave
him
me,
there.
I was eating a
And he had a
Milky
great
Way, and I
day,
go,
so-
you're eating a Milky Way. That ain't no good.
Hot dogs.
Yeah, it's
They were
amazing.
the best of the best of hot dogs.
Oh,
and
if you've never been there, and it was just, it was a one-of-a-kind place. It's hard to even describe it. You pretty much have to go on the web and look at pictures and stuff because it's really
Yeah.
hard to explain.
Tell them
Yeah,
what we
but-
had here one time. We had a guy cooking hot dogs here with the guy with wild snakes, whole snake
We had a show,
collection.
Pocono Hot Dog, was cooking in the corner, doing his cooking segment, and we had Jerry the Snake Man with these big boa constrictors doing another segment. And it worked. I don't know how it worked, but it worked, and everybody ate well. And he's from out down by the Pocono racetrack, Pocono
Best
Hot Dog.
part is I had a
down by
boa
Mount Airy
constrictor wrapped
Casino.
around his
And you
neck.
guys
It
just
was
played in
great.
Bethlehem.
yeah,
And I run this casino trips down there from
yeah.
up here.
Well, Mike,
The guys handling snakes like they were nothing.
Well, that's his
Poisonous,
job, you know.
poisonous snakes.
Well, he said they were poisonous. They probably weren't. But.
Uh,
We're in
too.
San
when I
City
hear that
by-
rattle
by the
going here,
casino.
where you, huh?
Well,
near the
that's
casino.
Bethlehem, Pennsylvania.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
The steel stacks over there?
Yeah.
Was that where it was?
Yeah, and then we blow glass down at the banana factory.
Oh, cool. Yeah, the casino's
nice.
kind of like, you know, you got to walk pretty much from there. And when you're on a bus, you're kind of stuck in the casino in the outlet mall.
well, with
But I
the
know
C-
it's a cool town.
I just want to point at the CD
Yeah.
for a minute. Mike was just talking about the glass, like that's like his world, and like I don't know if you can really see, but we sell this on our website, MikeFrankandFriends.com, if you'd like an album and you like what you hear. But we did this photo project, and it's like you go through it, and it's like everyone's little world. Like Todd, he loves his boats. He is a pirate at heart, a sailor to the max, and
You can get them
you
for
know.
free down the shore now. They're blowing right up on the land.
Everyone's like a little person. You go through, it's like a little flip book, and like the window, a doorway beyond. That was like, it's not a door, but you have to listen to the music to get why it's called a doorway beyond. There's a window in the song.
Now, how can
It's
somebody
lyrics.
get a hold of you guys that want you to play? I mean, we're going to put it on the website and on the screen. But
You just go to our website. We're on Facebook, and then we have www.mikefrankandfriends.com
Okay.
booking. Someone will get back to you, and then there's Facebook too.
And they're going to be on my radio show,
Right.
which hopefully you can stay
I'll-
up late and
I
call
will.
in
I'll
and
call,
co-host
yeah,
with me
Tuesday
this
night,
week.
right? Yeah, I'll definitely do that. That'd be cool.
Yeah, because right now I got Mr. Phil co-hosting. You said you can't stay up late. Well, you might as well jump the radio with me.
I can stay up any
It's
time.
only a
if-
half-hour
if it's,
show. We
if
get
you
to
guys are
play
going to be on
three
there,
cuts.
I'll do it.
Yeah, everybody can call on. I figured
Yeah.
out how to do it. Everybody can be on the same
Where
time.
can we see you guys upcoming? You got any upcoming gigs?
I was just thinking about those hot dogs, man. They were the best. Hot dogs. They were really good.
Saturday, September 24th next year. I want you guys to go. Come along with us.
Where is
All
our
right?
next gig?
Yeah.
I think
Pearly Bakers.
Pearly, no, first Friday, right? First Friday. We don't have anything for October. We have a little time off. We're gonna start recording it.
How about New Year's?
Again.
Any place New Year's?
Not yet.
No,
No.
it's-
Oh, someone's gonna book you guys.
Someone
What's your favorite place that you ever played in concert?
Favorite place?
Favorite.
I'm really, really digging the Sherman Theater and
Okay.
East Stroudsburg.
Yeah,
That's-
yeah, I've been there.
It's a good scene up there.
We make a
Yeah.
big, loud noise there, and it's cool. I think it's cool.
It's a good sound. It's a good sound too.
Yeah.
The Sherman Theater.
Don't
What
listen
about
to
you
the
guys?
singer.
Same
He just
thing,
say
or-
anything just to get you there. It's great.
Any
Come on.
place, Sherman Theater.
I know, I do that
Penn's
too.
Peak, you know.
Okay, yeah.
Yep.
Those are
It's
those
hard
are
to get
places.
New Year's anymore because all these like Elks and Legions and all them, they use DJs.
You know what I
Or
think?
members.
There's a lot of cover bands out there, but you know what? For all the people, like, it's cool being a cover band, but book an original band. Like, you know, because, like, you know, the Beatles, they weren't a cover band at one point. The Rolling Stones weren't a cover band at one point.
That's right.
Like, other people, you know, you should, like, give original music a shot, I think. For
Well,
all
that's
there's
what
so
we're
much
here
good-
for. We want to promote original
Yeah.
acts and say hi to Manhattan because this will
Yep,
be down in
Manhattan.
Manhattan
Yeah.
on
Big Apple.
three channels.
Hey.
And
Lifestyle channel on MNN. So twice a week
book
that we
these
know
guys
of.
down there in Manhattan. They'll come down. They'll go.
And then it
They
gets
will.
Yeah.
put into a rotation, so the show could pop up at any time on MNN. So
I was telling them it goes over to Middletown and that whole Hudson Valley over there.
next Wednesday at 9 o'clock, if you're in the Hudson Valley region of New York, and I liked you guys already on Facebook while you were playing, so I'll shoot you the information
Cool.
for if you got any fans in the Hudson Valley. I'm sure you do. And next Wednesday it's Channel 23, but you have to have Time Warner. If you don't have Time Warner, you could get it on YouTube, and once we get the show up.
Well, usually, and then we put it right up on YouTube and put it on Facebook, so we send it to everybody.
Yeah, Nashville too. We got a cable
Well, yeah,
network
we're working
in
on
Nashville.
Nashville, yeah.
We're trying to get into the whole Tennessee area. That
We want to go down to Nashville.
he wants to play.
I've been down there, but right now I got I got into Independent Artist Hall of Fame down there for
That's-
playing so long.
That's great.
I guess they just tried to shut me up.
Give him something. Just
You
give
know,
him
when you
something.
get older, it's like, here, have this award. I'm dying.
he's-
When you get one.
As a country band, he's had a lot of big hits on the independent charts. So
Yeah.
I mean, that's
Well, we
that's
charted
the whole,
#1 in Ireland for
Okay.
10 weeks.
Wow.
Yeah.
But to collect your royalties takes 5
I
years.
go to Ireland.
Steve gets beer from Ireland.
Oh, yeah, man.
All the time, man. That's good for you.
But we will play your stuff on our radio show and then on here and YouTube and anything you got going on YouTube, send it to us
Yeah.
and we'll post it for you.
Cool.
Now with this CD, was this like one long 15-hour session?
Oh,
Yeah.
Putting this together?
Yeah.
Well, we-
16-hour marathon.
And that was
Oh,
it, in one shot.
That was another
That's-
7 a.m. thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sorry about the 7
It's all
a.m.
good,
thing,
man.
all right, man?
It's all good.
And you just played
You
the
wanna
song,
read his email when you
each
get
song like
home.
4 or 5 times, and then you
No.
edited, or
Well,
you just
No, we set
Yeah,
up
we
just
were
like we
asking
did
about
that.
here,
Yeah.
and we were all in isolation. We all were like in our own little fish tank.
I wouldn't
Okay.
even mention that
And
myself because
we
I don't want to
recorded
be up at 7.
1971 Neve
And then when I
console,
read that
Yeah.
thing on
kinda
my
like the
phone,
one
like,
Dave Grohl had
7
in
o'clock.
Sound City,
Uh-huh.
and we
Okay. Having a
recorded a
good
2-inch
time.
tape. And I had to get 4 reels of tape, and what we did was we sat down in the room, we recorded the songs, and it was an 8-hour session and an 8-hour session. And at the end of the 2 8-hour sessions, that was the album.
wow.
And
That's very
listen, Rick out there, if you're really promoting these guys, get them some paying gigs. They can't do so many benefits for free.
Yeah, you guys do a lot of
He
benefits.
does a lot of
which is
benefit
good.
work, which is
Well,
fine.
They, you know, it's all good. You know?
Yeah.
But you know what's
You gotta
better?
get out there.
Since I'm like an old coin, form your own benefits and play your own benefits, and then the towns and stuff will pick you up as a band, and you get paying gigs out of it. And that's what I've been doing. You know, if you do it for somebody else, the promoter gets money, the sound guy gets money, and you get a maybe.
That was the good thing about jamming for Jersey. We pretty much did all of that.
Yeah, we
anyway.
did have.
Yeah, that's
Oh, yeah.
nice when you do it yourself. Maybe 2 bands or
We
just
had a
yourself.
committee, we would have meetings and then we'd like, you know, be like, well, what's a good cause? And you know what I found? That, you know, like, there's a lot of bad things on the news, like the hurricanes and
All
all
bad,
this and
it
that.
seems like,
And
right?
it's like you do a benefit for something that's really, really horrible, and And it's like in small areas, people don't, they see enough of it on the news, but if you do like a benefit for like Charlie's Pool Room to open a hot dog place up, then the people come out of the woodwork.
It was.
They really
You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
it was like a night and day.
Well,
totally
that's
different.
what we do is we pick on fundraisers for people, local people who have their problems, not the big giant heart association, because they're getting $400,000 a year just to work there. So if you raise 20,000, that's like golf money. Go play golf. So we get like burn victims and all kinds of friends. Now don't take a crap on that
You know,
drum.
if you raise a couple of thousand for a local group, you know that money's staying
You gotta
local,
watch these guys.
and it's going to be used locally. So
He tells me don't talk
And
on
we-
camera.
we're going to have these guys play a couple more tunes.
Yeah, we gotta get you back
Yeah,
up,
get
play a
back
couple
up
more
there.
tunes and
We got enough time. I think for
jam
two
out.
more.
Thanks
Two
for
more.
thanks for
Alright.
coming
So-
down.
Alright,
You
all
guys
right.
have got a hot
Thank-
sound.
Thanks
Sounds
very
great.
much.
guys.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thanks for
Good
doing some
stuff.
mixing and help you out.
Yeah. All right, guys. These guys are good, man. I like this group.
All right, now these guys are hot. You can introduce them.
All right.
That's your
They're gonna take us out tonight with a couple of more tunes. All right, Mike, Frank, and friends. Take it away, guys.
Thanks, man. Like guitar string, man. There we go.
Sometimes I wake up by the table, drinking some coffee and maybe some tea. Sometimes I may feel like I'm able to feel completely free. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Completely free. Sunlight looks in through the window. Dust bunnies all dance in the light. And in this moment, am I able to be satisfied? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Satisfied. It's not a song that I'm saying. It's words from my heart, well, they came from my soul. It's not out of fear, well, it's came from a soul. It's not out of fear, won't say it to you. Whoa, 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 sing it to you. Whoa, 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 sing it to you. Sing it to you. Listen to melodies, rhythm, and song. How could you ever be wrong? 'Cause all the dreams that you see in the night, oh, I tell you the wrong song. Sneaking yourself lonely on top of the world, and there, what a beautiful sight. 'Cause all the weight of the world puts in line, dancing like a moment.